Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making my American buttercream frosting. After much practice and then experimenting, we are finally sharing this video, or simply put, the buttercream recipe. Ingredients for today's American buttercream include 150 grams of butter, 200 grams of vegetable shortening, 1 pack of confectionery sugar, which is 500 grams, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and gel food colors, which are red, green, and purple. We will also be using 3/4 cup of cold full cream milk. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Into a mixing bowl, add in the butter, the vegetable shortening, and then with the aid of a whisk, combine the butter and the vegetable shortening together until light and fluffy, and then they both have a pale yellow color to it. Add in 1/3 of the icing sugar and then combine it with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl. Do so until the icing sugar mixes up with the butter and vegetable shortening mixture, until there are no streaks of the icing sugar in the mixture. After obtaining the first stiff peak, remove the whisk from the mixture and then switch it up with the spatula. Now add in the second batch of the confectionery sugar and then mix it until it combines evenly with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl. This is how it looks like. It's still a bit soft and runny, so we add in the third batch of the icing sugar. To help it stiffen up, we are almost done with making the frosting. Now add in the milk and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Do so until everything is well incorporated and combined nicely. Don't forget to add in the vanilla essence and combine it with the rest of the ingredients. And just like that, our American buttercream frosting is ready. You can use this to decorate your cakes, any form of cake. Just look at how smooth and silky it is. And it's very delicious, I tell you. This topped with any cake that you make is going to be a delicious combo. To color the buttercream, you can add in any gel coloring of your choice. For today, we'll be using red, green and purple. So first we add in the red gel food color and then combine it with the buttercream. And just look at how nice and silky it looks. It might look soft to you, but it's very stiff and can be used to coat any cake that you make. And look at how beautiful the pink color is. Now let's move on to mixing of the green gelled food color with the buttercream. Since it has vegetable shortening in it, it's very stable and would not run off your cakes even in hot temperatures. And these are our colored buttercream. The other one is not colored as you see. And with this, you can pipe any design or any decoration you want to make on either cupcakes, regular cakes, or any other thing. Mind you, it's very good and stiff for piping. It won't run off your cakes if you use it. So guys, here you have it. This is my American buttercream frosting recipe. Try this with your cakes and let me know how it was in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.